It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong at alam niyo, masarap na yung tag-ulan ang mainit na sabaw. Kaya gagawin natin today isang simple na sabaw ulam. Let's get cooking!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
Pag medyo umuulan sa gabi at naririnig ko yung kantang I Miss You Like Crazy, naalala ko to, sinigang na ulo sa miso. Di ba? Kaya magluluto tayo ng miso. Magigisa muna tayo ng ating sangkap, no? Igigisa natin yung ating sibuyas and kamatis. Medyo durug-durug na yung kamatis, no? And I'm just sauteing my tomatoes and onions hanggang lumambot siya. And ilalagay ko na yung aking miso. So siguro yung miso ko dito is around 1/4 to 1/2 cup of miso. Mabibili lang to sa palengke. So this is something that we learned from the Japanese. So sabi nga nila ang Japanese yung nagturo sa atin ng paggamit ng miso, no? That's good enough. And now meron akong water. I'm already boiling water para sobrang bilis ng ating pagluluto. And I just pour it into my pot. Look at that, no? Very quickly. And my pot is boiling as well. Diba? Instant yung ating boiling water. What I do, I add the labanos first. And now, just bring it to a simmer. Now, ilalagay ko yung ulo ng salmon. Look. Salmon heads. So, yan to add it. And let it simmer away. Lalagay ko ng konting patis. Pangdagdag dinamnam, patis. And kumulo na yung ating salmon heads. Alam mo, mabilis lang tumaluto ah. So, don't let it boil too much kasi madudurog din yung ating salmon heads, no? Ngayon, ilalagay na natin yung ating gulay. Then, lalagay ko yung aking talong. Yan. Sinigang na ulo ng salmon, di ba? So, it's really healthy. Yan. Let that cook. And isasabay ko na dito yung aking sile. No? Just gonna break it. Di na natin siya isa-slice. Just add it there. Dalawa is fine, no? And I put the stalks now. Medyo luto na yung aking naunang vegetables, ang aking talong at okra. Now, I'm putting the stalks of the, mustasa. Yan. And I add the leafy part. Yan, konting advance na ng konti. Just put that there. And lastly, we add our sinigang, no? So, usually, you add your sinigang, either fresh, whatever, sampalok, or powder gamit mo, you always add it to the end, no? So, nasa dulo siya. And you just adjust the seasoning to you want, no? To the way you want, no? To finish, I'll just add the patis to finish the seasoning, no? Para tamang-tama yung lasa. And of course, pagkain ko may sausawan din akong kalamansi at patis. And that's done and we're ready to plate. Yan. Wow. And we're done. Yeah, here it is. Our version of sinigang na salmon sa miso. Kaya niyong gawin sa bahay dahil kahit sino kaya magluto. Basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!